Italy is renowned for its culinary excellence, and there are numerous outstanding restaurants throughout the country. While the best can be subjective, here are 10 restaurants that have received acclaim for their exceptional cuisine and dining experiences. 1. Osteria Francescana, Modena. Often cited as one of the world's best restaurants, Chef Massimo Bottura's Osteria Francescana is known for its innovative approach to traditional Italian cuisine. Osteria Francescana has frequently been ranked as one of the best restaurants globally by prestigious lists such as the world's 50 best restaurants. Due to its international acclaim, securing a reservation at Osteria Francescana can be a challenging task. It is advisable to plan well in advance if you wish to dine at this iconic establishment. 2. Le Calandre, Rubano, near Padua. With 3 Michelin stars, Le Calandre is celebrated for its modern Italian cuisine crafted by chef Massimiliano Alargmo. Luxurious ambience. The restaurant provides a luxurious and refined dining experience. The ambience is elegant, and the service is attentive, contributing to an overall memorable visit for patrons. Focus on ingredients. Le Calandre prioritizes the use of high-quality, seasonal, and locally sourced ingredients. This commitment ensures that the flavors are fresh, vibrant, and reflective of the region's culinary richness. Family tradition. Le Calandre is a family-run restaurant, and Chef Alargmo works alongside his siblings. The familial atmosphere adds a personal touch to the dining experience. 3. Piazza Duomo, Alba. Located in the heart of the Piedmont region, Piazza Duomo, led by chef Enrico Crippa, offers a menu inspired by local ingredients. Tasting menus. Piazza Duomo typically offers tasting menus that allow diners to experience a curated selection of dishes that showcase the chef's culinary prowess and the flavors of the region. Elegant atmosphere. The restaurant provides an elegant and sophisticated atmosphere, contributing to a memorable dining experience for patrons. 4. Enoteca Pinchiori, Florence. A 3-star Michelin restaurant in Florence, Enoteca Pinchiori is recognized for its exceptional wine selection and gourmet cuisine. Characterized by inventive dishes that showcase a blend of traditional flavors and modern techniques. Extensive wine cellar. The restaurant boasts an extensive and impressive wine cellar, featuring a vast selection of both Italian and international wines. Wine enthusiasts will find a diverse range of options to complement their dining experience. 5. Dal Pescatore, Canetto sull'Olio, a family-run restaurant with 3 Michelin stars. Dal Pescatore is renowned for its traditional Lombardian cuisine and warm hospitality. 6. Antica Osteria Serra, Serrone di Cavaillon Veronese. Nestled near Lake Garda, this restaurant is known for its regional dishes, particularly seafood, and has earned a Michelin star. 7. Osteria al Testiere, Venice. A small but highly regarded restaurant in Venice, Al Testiere is praised for its fresh seafood and intimate atmosphere. 8. Antonio Cappadonia, Bergamo, a hidden gem in Bergamo. This restaurant is known for its creative dishes and dedication to using high-quality, local ingredients. 9. La Pergola, Rome. Located in Rome's Cavaliere Waldorf Astoria, La Pergola is a 3-star Michelin restaurant offering panoramic views and gourmet Italian cuisine. 10. Don Alfonso 1890, Sant'Agata sui Giù Golfi. Situated on the Amalfi Coast, Don Alfonso 1890 is known for its Mediterranean cuisine and has received 3 Michelin stars. Please note that the status and ratings of restaurants can change, so it's recommended to check recent reviews and ratings before planning a visit.